Ever wondered how others create Instagram stories with fun, vibrant backgrounds? Want to do the same? You're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn how to change the background color when posting an Instagram story. Let's get started. Start by creating an Instagram story as you normally would. You can either start from scratch or share a post or reel to your story. Once the story editor is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the draw tool. You'll see color dots at the bottom of the screen. Tap 1 to select your preferred background color. Swipe sideways to explore more colors, or hold down a color dot and slide your finger to pick a custom shade. Press and hold anywhere on your story screen and the background will instantly fill with your chosen color. If you prefer a semi-transparent overlay instead of a solid background, use the highlight draw option instead. Once you're happy with your background, tap done and continue editing with text, stickers, or other elements. When you're ready, tap your story at the bottom to post it. And that's it. Now you know how to change the background color on your Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials every day. Thanks for watching.